Hi, I'm Mike Brodie, and today I'm going to take you through our control panel of our temperature control system for a Firevault. So here we have a typical panel. It's covered in indicator lights to give feedback as to the running of the system and any alarms that are active currently. At the top we'd always have a power on indicator, so you know the system is live. In this case we've got a two-stage fire alarm, a lone worker alarm, a low O2 alarm, again a system normal indicator, an over temperature alarm, and an indicator to let you know if the doors have been left open. Below we have the Delta controller, which is the brains of the operation. So here we have the Delta controller that's used to control all our air handling systems on our Chemstore Firevaults. And I'll lead you through some of the key features. At the top, we have our main menu, our bank of status indicators. This indicates normal working condition. This is our general warning common fault alarm. With this store, we've got two fire alarms, stage 1 and stage 2. We have a lone worker alarm and a low O2 in our plant room alarm. Currently, as expected, we have a green light indicating everything is okay and no red lights on any of the other alarms. This is our internal Firevault temperature, currently running at 18.2 degrees Celsius. We have a door interlock alarm here, which is indicated as the door is closed, so operating correctly. We have our AHU running as normal, and our two extract fans, Extract Fan 1 and Extract Fan 2, in this case, are both off. At the bottom of the screen, we have shortcuts to the other main settings, our AHU controls, our extract controls, our status summary, and advanced settings, and alarm log. So I'll take you through our main air handling unit control menu now. It's touch screen. Here we have a graphic showing the current running status in real time. At the top we can see our stage 1 and stage 2 fire alarms are normal. Again, our door interlock is closed, so everything is operating correctly. Here we have our return airflow to the air handling system running through the heater, which is currently running at only 16%. To achieve our current internal temperature of 18.4. Our fan is operating correctly and is rotating, and our supply air back into the Firevault is at 22.6. In the bottom corner here we have our cooling temperature set point. Once the internal temperature of the Firevault reaches plus 25 degrees, our cooling system will kick in to reduce the internal temperature. Conversely, our heating temperature is set at plus 19 degrees. If the store temperature inside the Firevault drops below 19 degrees, our heaters kick in and the store begins to heat. We can manually demonstrate this, for example, by increasing our required heating temp point. And you can see this has caused the heater to kick in 100%, so we can see it's operational. In order to demonstrate reducing the cooling effect inside the Firevault, we can adjust that here. You'll see currently the heating is off because our internal temperature is 19.4 and our supply air is above that. To kick in the cooling system, we can demonstrate this by reducing our cooling temperature set point. As you can see, this has now activated the cooling system, which is working at 100%, and it will try and reduce the temperature inside the store. The advanced settings can be found here. Again, this enables you to control the cooling set point and the heating set point, as we've just discussed. This system has an over temperature high temp alarm. This can be used to activate an alarm to signal if the temperature has exceeded the set point, for example. The heating system also has a calendar option. This can be used to pre-program weekly or monthly cycles. For example, if we wanted the system to not operate on a Saturday, we can simply deactivate the whole of Saturday like this. You can also plan monthly events. This works in the same way. To return to the home screen, simply hit Exit. Now we can look at the Extract menu. With this system here, we've got two extract fans, EF1 and EF2. Here we can see the fan start alarm is off, the fan run alarm is off, and everything is running normal. If we were to turn the extract fan on, the graphic changes to indicate a rotating fan, and our fan run power lamp is active. Now we'll look at the advanced settings. Here we have our two extract fans, EF1 and EF2. The auto purge can be adjusted as such. The auto purge simply kicks the fan on a fixed number of times per day. 24 per day will be 1 an hour, 12 per day will be once every 2 hours, and so on. This means the extract fans are automatically kicking in at a predetermined time frequency. The manual purge time can be adjusted as such and is operated by the pushing of the button inside the store to initiate the extract. Return to the menu by hitting Exit. The status menu offers more information than is shown on the home screen. Should you find the system in alarm mode, or if any of these square indicators turn red, the alarm menu can be found here. This lists all the alarms of the system and will clearly indicate what feature is indicating alarm. Okay, below the Delta controller, we have the airflow indicator to prove that there's circulating air currently. We have the power to the airflow system, and then we have our two extractor fans here. These can be operated in an automatic mode, so there's no intervention needed by the operator, or for manual operation, they can be turned to hand. We have a mute, so if alarms are going off when you're working on the panel, you can push this and it'll turn off all the sounders. We have a lamp test facility, so we know everything is working properly. Okay, thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was useful for you. If you have any inquiries or you want us to help you with any problems you have on site, please contact us below.